In this video, I will show you a handy way to work with LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. First, download the 3DLUTCreator OFX plugin. Log into Retouch from my personal account. You can use your Google or Apple ID. Download the 3DLUTCreator OFX plugin installer for Windows or Mac. Run the installer with default settings. Check that DaVinci has detected the plugin. On the color page, open the effects panel, scroll down, and drag the effect onto the node. Open the LUT Manager, and you'll see the result right away. Lots of free LUTs. Choose the best one. If you are a registered user of 3DLUTCreator, you can use the full power of the program and edit your LUT however you like.